behalf of Waterford Filipino-Irish community, we would like to say thank you to Albert, Taoy and family for accommodating the officers down here in this beautiful place, the Ballynamona allotment area. This is the best place for the meeting and other activities for all the Filipinos.
Hi everyone, my name is Josie Roberts. I'm the Vice President for the Waterford Filipino-Irish community, and welcome to the new normal. So wearing a mask is very important. Of course, there's a lot of regulations right now that the government has set. This is to protect yourself, protect our family, protect our frontliners as well, not to overwhelm our frontliners. That's very, very, very important. Now, I just want to say, I would like to, it's a very challenging period, or this year was very challenging for everybody. But at the same time, it is also a blessing because we had all the time to spend with our family, do a lot of activities that we would never think that we will. You know, there's a lot of baking going on, household chores that's been done, which we probably have not, or we were thinking of doing. So pandemic, I suppose there is the good and the bad. So let's stay positive. Let's look forward to a new beginning, probably in the next year or the next 2 years when everything will hopefully be back to normal. Let's prepare ourselves. But before that, let us follow the regulations that are set. I would also like to say that with the Filipino-Irish community, in spite of the challenge that we are in, that we could not do anything, all the events are cancelled for year 2020. And yes, it is sad we could not be together, but again, as I say, it is a blessing because we will have time more for our family. That's all right. Let us prepare ourselves for the next year. There will be more events, more activities in store. So it's all about preparation. Anyway, for this year, I guess what we did, we made the most of it. We were still active in the social media. Virtual meetings were there. We even have awards. One of our youth in Waterford community won an award, Hans Kayeta, which we are very proud. He did participate in the consulate for the essay writing for the youth competition, and he made it. So these are just things that we need to look. There's always a brighter side of every challenges. So let's carry on and stay positive in life, negative in Corona. All right. Thank you very much. Take care and stay safe.
Siguro po nagtataka kayo kung bakit itong lugar na ito napakaganda, talagang develop na, napakarami ng tanim at saka may mga alaga sila dito. So si Albert na po ang magkukwento sa atin kung paano niya unti-unting napaganda at na-develop, napagyabong ang lugar na ito.
Actually, hindi naman ako lahat dito eh. At the beginning, maraming pumupunta rito at saka halimbawa nila Susan na siyempre gusto nilang umalis sa bahay tapos bring the kids. Priority really yung kids kasi yung kids nag-i-enjoy dito. So at the beginning, bubolunteer sila. Sabi ko, we have to do something. Sabi ko, hindi ko naman kayang alagaan itong mag-isa. So you become a community. Actually, hindi ako lahat ng magawa nito. Maraming tumutulong. Pagtatanim, pag-harvest, dinadala din nila mga anak dito, nagpi-picnic, bonfire, barbecue. So it's become a community. Kasi hindi ko kaya mag-isa, and I'm so happy na maraming makikita mo lang yung mga bata na nagsasaya, naglalaro. It's pay, the whole place pay for itself. Na parang yun lang, hindi naman kumikita pero it's for everybody
It's the
to
best.
enjoy. Yun naman ang layunin namin talaga dito. Primarily for my kids, pero siyempre kung kami-kami lang medyo they can bring their friends. Help serve as well during the lockdown, talagang walang mapupuntahan. So we come in here and enjoy bonfire, camping.
Gulay dito, Albert, ano ang ginagawa niyo dito? Nagbebenta kayo ng kamatis, ng opo, meron bang mga Pilipino na
Meron naman talaga. Meron naman. Actually, eto nagsisimula before nung lockdown talaga, which is March. Dito kami nagsisimulang magtanim. Sa ano naman, hindi naman restricted yung farming at saka mga pagtatanim, so which is good. Marami talaga nagbo-volunteer dito. Dito kami nagsisimula from the scratch. Paglilinis pa lang, marami ng mga Pilipino dito, tulong-tulong kami. So nag-i-enjoy naman. Yung sa amin lang naman dito, it's not for profit. It's something that you can enjoy. Sabi ko nga sa kanila at the beginning, sabi ko, wag na nating taniman. Pwede naman nating hindi taniman lahat. Kasi baka mapapagod lang tayo. So, ang purpose talaga is just enjoy. Enjoy. Kasi kung excessive na, hindi na nag-i-enjoy, wala nang time. Kasi talagang time consuming pagtatanim. Pag-aalaga lang. So, advice ko sa kanila, volunteer, do what you wanted to do. The rest, you can just enjoy. So eto, meron ng mga kanya-kanya ng mga upo. Is first na pa to, hindi pa kami naka-harvest. So sana tuloy-tuloy. It's quite late pero tapos yung mga kamatis. May mga cucumber tapos na din. Sili sa kabila. May kangkong din, kangkong. So ito yung mga resulta ng pinaghihirapan naman ng hindi lang ako, yung buong community na tumutulong dito. Meron ng mga kamatis, meron na talagang productive din yung lockdown na walang ginagawa. So eto, may malaking mga upo na. Tapos yung kangkong naman is we tried this year. Una naming tinanim to this year. Okay naman. Marami ring nag-i-enjoy pang tawag dito? Sinigang. Sinigang. So pwede naman pala talaga, pwede itanim dito. Yun nga lang, short season. Pero we can try better next year.
Ito, Albert, pwede pala dito itong mga sili, ang dami talagang buhay na buhay.
Oo, sili walang problema dito sa Ireland really. Madali siya. Na-try na namin maraming beses na. So, ang sili ginagamit namin yung dahon. Normally atin dahon at saka yung bunga. So, nagagamit lahat 'yan. Pwede nyo i-juice kung gusto ninyo. Yan, pwede talaga yung sili. Medyo late ngayon. Medyo late naming naitanim, pero meron pa din.
Hindi na kailangan hindi na problema ang magluto ng Bicol Express dito.
Oo.
Sa Ireland.
Isang katutak na
sili.
Mahal pa naman ang sili dito. Ito, lemongrass. So, sa atin, sa mga Pilipino or Asian, talagang kasama yan sa pagluluto. Now, we didn't expect that pwede pala dito sa Ireland. Yun nga, at the same time, kailangan mo talaga ng greenhouse. Eto, nabili lang namin to sa yung alam mong nabibili sa Asia Market. Tapos pinalagyan na lang namin sa baso. Tapos nung may may ugat, so tinanim namin dito. Which is actually, I didn't expect this one na ganito kalago. Pwede talaga.
Hi, I'm Jigs Gayeta, the president of Waterford Filipino-Irish community. We gathered here today at Ballynamona allotment area to have a meeting with the officers, and the purpose of this meeting is to update everybody of what's going on or to address any concerns for the community. and I'd say the highlight of this meeting is to let everybody know that all the activities and events for this year is cancelled due to COVID-19 crisis. Before I proceed, I just want to let everybody know that this meeting is in compliance with COVID-19 guidelines and safety protocol like social distancing and hand sanitizing and so on. And I hope everybody in Waterford will be doing well. We are doing well in spite of the COVID crisis. We shouldn't allow the virus, the COVID-19 virus, to stress our daily lives. We just keep moving, and as we live with the COVID in the coming weeks, months, or possibly years to come, just stay focused and positive. The most important thing is we are all safe, especially our family, and sacrifice other activities that is not necessary. Just to mention briefly as well, the Philippine Consulate Dublin on wheels, they are happy to come over to process if you need visa assistance, visa extension, or travel document, legalization, notarization, and other emergency papers, as long as we were able to comply with the requirements like at least 25 individual booking, and we'll be able to find a place, so they'll be happy to come over. The good thing about this is we don't need to travel to Dublin to do this, and we appreciate the assistance of our dear Consul, Honorable Consul Garrett, and also the members of the Philippine Consulate Dublin. And lastly, I would like to ask all my friends, colleagues in Waterford Filipino-Irish community, not only here, if you have any signs and symptoms of COVID, like temperature 38 degrees and up, or strange cough, difficulty of breathing, don't hesitate yourself to consult the medical practitioner, and there's no harm to get the test done, because this is the only way to control the spread or slow the effect of this virus. And most importantly, I'd say to self-isolate. Self-isolate means staying indoors and keep away from other social interactions, including members of your family. And that's all I can say. Keep safe, everyone. Don't allow the virus to stress yourself all the time. Stay positive and keep safe and well to everybody. Thank you. Albert, itanong lang natin kung paano mo napaganda ito, paano ang pagsisimula mo, ano ang mga kailangan para magkaroon ka ng ganito kagandang taniman at mga bunga.
Unang-una talaga dito kailangan mo greenhouse, or dito tinatawag polytunnel, mas ano siya, mas less expensive kasi greenhouse. Kasi alam mo, kagaya nito, ang palaya, which is not hindi naman talaga ideal dito, pero pwede siya sa loob ng tunnel. Kasi maabot ng 32 degrees yata pag during the day.
Ang palaya.
So ang palaya talaga, which is galing naman sa atin, kailangan talaga.
Ibig sabihin galing sa atin
ang binhi. Ang binhi. I-try naman sana namin na kumuha ng binhi from now, parang nakaka-adapt na dito. Pero is a trial and error. So pagtatanim naman talaga is trial and error. Kasi minsan kung titingin ka sa libro or something, mas maganda talaga kung itatry mo itanim.
Kailangan ng greenhouse kasi ako yung nag-try ng luya dati.
Oo.
Ay nasira lang eh.
Oo.
Kailangan mo ng greenhouse.
Greenhouse talaga kailangan. Kaya dito mga talong, okay naman siya. Kasi siyempre sa atin, Pilipino, hindi naman tayo mahilig sa aubergine. Iba talaga yung nakasanayan natin.
Yung binhi niyan galing din sa
no, really. Sa online. Oo.
Ganda, mga grapes ito, Albert. Ano ang
White grapes.
White grapes siya.
For white wine. O white vinegar.
Kompleto dito.
White grapes talaga, pwede naman talaga sa Ireland yung white grapes. But as I said, kailangan talaga ng polytunnel yung grapes. Kasi hindi naman talaga siya dito ideal sa climate sa Ireland. Kasi kulang sa init din.
Ito
But
lahat talagang mga organic ko lahat.
semi-organic. I don't say organic because when you say organic, especially kaya hindi mo kailangan ng mga weeds, protector. So, yung pure organics, they're like from the ground.
Okay, Albert, ano ang may advice mo naman sa ating mga kasama sa community na may parang may interest din na magtanim, magkaroon ng ganitong kagandang taniman? Ano ang may advice mo sa kanila?
Unang-una, depende sa kung anong itatanim. So, itatanim yung mostly tropical, kagaya nito, very seasonal talaga. Kailangan mo ng greenhouse, saka kailangan may time ka kasi it is very time consuming.
Okay.
At saka kailangan mong i-enjoyin talaga yung pagtatanim kasi maubusan ka ng time, maubusan ka rin ng pasensya kasi ang dami mong kalaban, ang dami mong peste, insekto, hayop, anything. So kailangan meron ka talagang passion sa pagtatanim. Natututunan naman kasi when I move here, wala naman talaga akong alam paano magtanim dito. Pero kung interesado, I want to get out the house. I want to get out my normal life. So eto, ayan, kailangan may greenhouse. At saka, marami dito, marami talagang nauupahan na lupa.
Okay.
Na pwede mong gamitin. Which is hindi naman mahal. Pero kailangan ang passion talaga. Kasi magkamali ka, do it again and again and again and again. And you will improve from that.
Ayun po, siguro nakita nyo na kung paano nagsimula dito si Albert at yung kanyang mga kasama. Alam natin, tulong-tulong sila. So double purpose yung lakad natin dito. Nagkaroon tayo ng meeting sa ating mga officers na update ng bawat isa. And also, nalaman natin kung ano ang sikreto sa pagtatanim para magkaroon ng ganito kagandang mga halaman at mga gulay. Okay guys, hanggang sa muli po, maraming salamat and we will keep you updated. Keep safe and well to everybody. Thank you. From Waterford Filipino-Irish community, we encourage everyone to
Follow regulations, maintain social distancing 2 meters when you're outside, and especially when you think there is a big crowd. And when you're indoors, please wear your mask. That's a new normal. Keep safe, everyone.